OnePlus Ace3 Pro. OnePlus officially released its latest phone, OnePlus Ace3 Pro. This device is a feature-packed mobile phone that comes with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Another key aspect of this device is its huge 6100 mAh Glacier battery. OnePlus has long been known for producing high-quality smartphones that offer top-tier features at a reasonable price point. In June 2024, OnePlus unveiled their latest mid-range offering, the OnePlus Ace3 Pro. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the Ace3 Pro boasts an impressive array of specifications and features that are sure to appeal to tech-savvy consumers. The OnePlus Ace3 Pro features a stunning design that is both sleek and modern. The device sports a gorgeous 6.78 inches AMOLED display with a resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixels, Full HD, and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, providing users with crisp, vibrant visuals. The screen also supports HDR10+ for a more immersive viewing experience. The dual-edge display gives the phone a premium feel, while the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protects it from scratches and drops. In terms of audio, the Ace3 Pro comes equipped with stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos support, ensuring that users can enjoy rich, immersive sound quality. Additionally, the phone features noise cancellation microphones for crystal-clear calls. The device is crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, giving it a sturdy and premium feel. The glass back is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which adds an extra layer of durability. With a usable surface of 90.4%, the phone offers a comfortable grip for extended use. The Ace3 Pro comes in 3 stunning color options: silver, green, and porcelain, each with its own unique thickness and weight specifications. The OnePlus Ace3 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, built on a 4nm manufacturing process. This powerful chipset ensures smooth performance and efficient multitasking. The phone is available in 3 memory configurations: 12GB, 16GB, and a whopping 24GB of RAM, all using LPDDR5X technology. Storage options include 256GB, 512GB, and even 1TB of UFS 4.0, allowing users to store large amounts of data without compromising on speed. In terms of performance, the Ace3 Pro scored an impressive 23,669 on the Antutu benchmark, showcasing its prowess in handling demanding tasks. Security-wise, the phone features an advanced fingerprint display for quick and secure unlocking. To prevent overheating during intense usage, the device is equipped with a cutting-edge cooling system that keeps temperatures in check. The OnePlus Ace3 Pro is equipped with a versatile triple-camera system that allows users to capture stunning photos and videos. The main camera features a Sony IMX890 sensor with a resolution of 50 megapixel and an aperture of f1.8, delivering sharp and detailed images even in low light conditions. The wide-angle and macro lens combination uses a Sony IMX355 sensor with 8 megapixel and f2.2, perfect for capturing landscapes and close-up shots. For macro enthusiasts, there's a dedicated 2 megapixel OmniVision OV02B10 sensor with an aperture of f2.3. Selfie lovers will appreciate the 16 megapixel Samsung S5K3P9 sensor, which produces clear and vibrant self-portraits. The camera setup also includes optical stabilization, OIS, for steady shots, as well as the ability to shoot 4K and 8K videos for professional-grade footage. OnePlus Ace3 Pro is its massive 6100 mAh battery, which provides exceptional battery life for extended daily use. The device supports blazing fast 100-watt fast charging, allowing users to top up their battery in no time. Additionally, the phone offers reverse charging functionality, enabling users to share power with other devices on the go. Overall, the OnePlus Ace3 Pro is a flagship-level smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with premium design and affordability. The OnePlus Ace3 Pro offers a wide range of connectivity options to ensure seamless communication and data transfer. Bluetooth 5.4 allows for fast and reliable wireless connections, while dual SIM support enables users to manage work and personal numbers easily. NFC technology facilitates contactless payments, and Wi-Fi 6 ensures lightning-fast internet speeds. The phone also features GPS with L1 plus L5 support for precise location tracking and an infrared port for controlling compatible devices. With its powerful hardware, versatile camera system, seamless connectivity, and long-lasting battery, the Ace 3 Pro is sure to attract smartphone enthusiasts looking for a high-performance device without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.